National Electoral Commission, but to guarantee free and fair election, we should have every political party represented in INEC. That's the solution to the problem. At every level, at the national, at the state, and the local level. Once we can get this done, forget all the whole talk about independent National Electoral Commission. No party will allow the other to take advantage of the situation. So it is important that we do this and as quickly as possible. Let's stop pretending that we have an independent National Electoral Commission. Let every party be represented, and it should be National Electoral Commission. What we have today is anything but independent. Secondly, I want us to know exactly where we are today, because we seem to have lost it. Where we are is that we now have a family called the Chagoury family. We have the Chagoury family, which family functioned with Abacha to loot the Nigerian economy. And when Abacha died, we thought we were fighting off the remnants of Abacha regime, and the family was smart enough to embrace one of us whom we thought is a pro-democracy campaigner and help install him as a governor. Now, people give the impression that that fellow is in control of Lagos State and he has been installing every other government in Lagos ever since. That's not correct. It is the Chagoury family that has been running Lagos State since 1999. And what they have done effectively is that they have graduated to now take over Nigeria, and they are now effectively running Nigeria. The 2027 election should be about Nigerians taking back their country from that criminal enterprise run by the Chagoury family, which started in Lagos State and has now effectively extended to the rest of the country. If you don't know that that is why we have all that we are facing today, then take yourself back to the fact that a member of that family has just been given the highest national award in this country. And we are talking about a family that has been convicted for fraud, for money laundering, for looting this country, for conspiring against the worst military dictator in this country. And that family is now effectively in control of Nigeria. And the news editor who narrated to us the story about this family in the year 1997 is now the chief press secretary to the present president, and is actually doing their bidding by helping to applaud them. So we are in a very terrible, messy situation. In case you don't know that that is where we are, that is the present situation of the country, and we must act fast if we must save it. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Peter Obi would have loved to be here physically. Fortunately, there are very urgent matters concerning the primaries that may take place in the next few days. So he sends his warm apologies. Ladies and gentlemen, key to the electoral reform is credible elections. Credible election depicts that the right voters register is being put in place. As we speak, the continuous voter register is already on, but some persons are being disenfranchised, especially from the southeastern extraction. And this for us portends danger into the electoral process. We are asking and demanding that the electoral reform should be urgently revisited for the interest of free and fair and credible elections. And we say this with patriotic zeal. For some of us who have been in the trenches for a very long time, this is no more time for us to continue to agitate in a cozy room like this. we should take these messages to the streets and fight this particular issue so that we can get the right ground. So, in our final submission, it is our profound suggestion that we, after having the communique, we take this communique directly to those who are in charge. The National Assembly and the INEC itself must be presented with this document. If possible, extend it to the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. A big round of applause for